Hi, in this video, I will show you how to code a spawn manager script. This script's main function is to create random spawning of game object inside your game scene. This can be applied to props or enemies. So let's begin. In the hierarchy, create an empty game object and name it spawn manager. Because it's empty, it will be invisible in our scene, but we know it's there. Then we need to create a new script and name it Spawn Manager. Attach the Spawn Manager script to the Spawn Manager in the hierarchy. After you're done, double-click the Spawn Manager script so we can do some editing in Visual Studio. Once we are inside Visual Studio, we need to create an array. An array is like a file box where you can group several different variety of items that belong together. For example, enemies, weapons, power-ups. So now we are inside Visual Studio and I will show you how to create an array. Now let's create our first array. To create our first array, we'll use public, then game object, as we are going to use several copies of our prefabricated ship models to be our enemy. Then let's create an array. To create an array in Unity, we need to use square brackets. Then, let's name this variable as ship prefabs. And close our line or syntax with a semicolon. So let's go back to Unity and check our spawn manager. Here we can see our spawn manager has now an array with a variable called ship prefabs. Depending on your game object, you can add or subtract the number of fields for your array. Since we only have 3 enemy ships, then we only need 3 fields to store our array. To add array, just drag and drop the game object to the field.